We just found out something really amazing, that Bianca will be milking carabaos today. Yeah, good job, Jimbo.
No, it's nobody. Welcome to Fatima Farms.
Good morning.
Magandang umaga.
Yeah.
Or mayong aga. See, I'm so good. I'm so good.
Look how spry and excited everybody is to be up first thing in the morning.
The energy
and
is,
we slept in. Yeah.
We're bad. Okay, we are not morning people. And neither are our phones. Because they didn't let us know.
No.
Our phones never told us to wake up, so.
Yeah, or we slept right through them, who knows?
That, honestly, I believe that.
Because we were supposed to be up at like 5:30 in the morning. And no, that didn't happen. We were an hour late on that. So this morning we are here back again at Fatima Farms. And we are going to go to the actual farm where they have all of the animals.
Yes, and all the stuff. Sorry, I haven't had coffee. All the produce from the restaurants and everything, they get it at the farm.
Yes.
And there's mango trees.
It's all grown locally. So we're gonna have a lot of stuff today. There's gonna actually be far more than we're even talking about now, but our brains are still fogged.
Animals and like petting, feeding.
Just gonna ride a horse. I don't know if they can handle my height, so we'll see.
Let's not abuse the horse today, okay?
Yeah, that's the thing. And like, the horse doesn't look big enough for me, but we'll see.
The horse can ride you.
Yeah, the horse is gonna ride me. All right, here we go. This is the native pavilion. And you can see they have all these nipa huts all over here. And this really beautiful pavilion here.
Ooh, made of bamboo.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at this. This is cute. What? What? Hello, little buddy. Ooh. And here it is, Fatima Farms. It looks so pretty here. Wow. All through the resort they have these stations that you can find in order to wash up, even little like hand sanitizing lotions. It's really cool. They're already leaving.
I know, yeah, it's gonna be transferred to the farm.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, you're so cute. I'll adopt you. My goodness, what a cute. Oh,
welcome, Dayon. Come on.
Dayan, como.
Welcome.
Welcome.
So they got a fish feeding area over here, and then there is fishing that we're going to be doing today too.
Ducks.
And there's ducks. That's right. That's right. You gonna tell them about the one you ate yesterday? And
it was
say
yummy.
sorry?
They don't need to know. Maybe what doesn't hurt him won't kill him, or whatever that saying is.
Something else will.
The barbecue will. Okay. Anyway.
Look at this.
This
is
is
so pretty.
And we're gonna have breakfast right over here.
Place seems to go forever. Like miles and miles and miles of things to do. Carabao.
This is the biggest shopping board.
Yeah, look at that shopping board.
Guys, this is when they do the rituals.
The sacrifices go
Okay,
here.
Bianca.
And then no, we
Good
need
morning,
more
it's time
candles
to sacrifice
and
you.
more nighttime dancing.
It's actually for a portal.
Oh,
The other side. Especially during full moon.
it takes you to Manila.
You're gonna sit here. Then you do the Buddha pose.
And then you just start lifting.
Yeah.
You start just
And you
lifting
will
up.
really feel that there is heat because there's the sun already.
Because it's mid-afternoon.
We just found out something really amazing, that Bianca will be milking carabaos today.
What? It's already been done. I already
Because
did it. Look.
They have carabao milk. Look at this, and it's pasteurized carabao milk from the farm here. And I was like,
We have
wow,
to try that out. I don't
somebody's
think
got to
that-
milk the carabao.
I can't even milk a normal cow, so I feel like one with horns.
Come on, I'm
So
sure you
scary.
can. I'm sure you can figure it out. Pull and tug, pull and tug. All right, and this morning you have your coffee
Brew
to
coffee.
start. Oh, you got a little, is that banana leaf? No,
I think so.
it's a leaf.
Banana leaf with a plate. I love these plates, honestly. It makes it so easy because once you're done, you don't even have to wash them. Just throw the leaf out.
Biodegradable. So it's all wrapped right now to keep the flies away. We have rice,
Yeah.
eggs,
Nice.
crab.
Jam. No, it's fish. Of
Really?
some sort. What is this? Sorry?
It's danggit.
Danggit? Is it a fish?
It's a sun-dried.
Yes,
sun-dried
Oh,
fish.
sun-dried fish.
fish.
Okay.
Some hot dogs. We have some Spam and caribou cheese.
White
Caribou
White
or
cheese.
carabao?
Carabao, caribou.
Caribou.
Sorry, I forgot we're not in Canada.
It's okay.
And,
This is
Yeah, I was gonna say I don't think they have any carabao here.
and then the chicken tocino.
No, you mean caribou. They don't
So
have caribou.
chicken
Tocino.
tocino, chicken tocino,
This is beef tapa.
beef tapa under there. Yeah,
And some.
look at
This
this.
is the combo.
Pakumbo.
The combo is actually made of
Banana.
smashed.
Oh,
banana.
Banana
Oh,
pancakes.
smashed banana, like a
Banana
pancake.
pancake. You got
Fantastic.
Love those.
So there you go, and having breakfast here. Look at that, with
And
this
there's
beautiful
ducks.
view.
It's so pretty here.
If you're still hungry, there are ducks.
Well, you can also catch them and just pet them, maybe.
All right, you probably prefer that. That's for sure. Can you milk a duck? That's what I really want to know.
I don't want to know. I don't want to know that. Here's some beef tapa. Some like it's a very common breakfast. Okay. I mean, on the Fatima resorts, they have a farm as well, and they hand produce a lot of these things.
Let's see, as you can see, pasteurized carabao milk. And
Pasteurized
how did it
caramel
taste?
milk. It tastes like milk,
Yeah,
like cow milk.
like from Canada.
Yeah, it's really, really good. It's like it's got like the little sweetness, you know, of milk. I don't know,
Yeah,
like pasteurized milk. It just tastes really, really. It tastes like home a little bit.
a little bit.
So that was interesting and love that. And then they have the pickled papaya, which I love.
And the name of their farm is the Agra Farm.
Agri
So if you
farm.
see it in the
Agriculture
stores,
farm. Yeah, look for.
look for that. You know it's fresh right here from the
They have
farm.
some more. They have jam as well.
What?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Kamyas. I think the English name of kamyas.
Oh, yeah.
We'll go for the local na lang.
It's fine. It's kamyas jam.
Kamyas.
Which is made from?
Kamyas.
Kamyas.
Kamyas fruit.
Kamyas
It says
fruit.
homemade with love. So is it made with
Oh.
love?
A little bit of it. There's a lot of love. There's a lot of love in this little
Yes.
jar, okay? Sugar, salt. Oh, wait. I don't want to give away how to make it. Just
Ta-da!
kamyas, obviously. What
Have
do you
some
mean?
Kamyas jam.
Just eat it, okay? Look at the pineapple. So they have some local produce here. Papaya.
So when you're at the farm, you can actually get some fresh fruits. Look at these tiny little pineapples.
Oh my goodness! Throw them at people. We got some banana chips. All the wild honey. Oh, look, all the fruit flies are
All
trying
right,
to.
yeah, they make wild honey,
You know it's
cashew
good when
nuts.
all the flies want them.
There's the jams. Oh yeah, they've got all kinds here. I can't even say all the names, guys, but
Pickled pineapple.
wow.
Wow, that sounds interesting.
There you go. Hot peppers.
Eat it.
You eat it. And then, of course, if you're famished, after coming all this way from the resort over to the farm, they got their San Miguel beers.
After you ride a brown horse, you can drink a red horse.
And they even have a coffee shop over here too with espresso and coffee and hot coffee.
What is pee-pee? Oh, pineapple pie?
Yes.
Nice. Pineapple pie. Delicious.
And look, you can buy meat by the kilogram here too. You got rabbit, duck, and native dressed chicken.
What's it dressed in? A dress?
Yeah, maybe.
A costume? A little
Costume.
Danagyang fit?
Yeah, a little Dunyagan fit. Oh, here we go.
Oh, yum.
There you go. Get that on the way out though.
Yes, yeah. Do the farm first, then get your meat. Oh, sorry.
Young lady, where are we?
We're at the Herbarium. First we had Orchidarium, and now we have the herbs. And so they have all different ones they use for cooking and other herb uses. I don't really know, but I assume there's more than one use.
For
And then-
herbs? I don't know. I think you eat them. Don't smoke
What if
herb.
you're a wit? Oh,
No, this isn't Canada. Stop that. They have Thai basil here even. Peppermint.
careful, you're stepping on a little.
Spearmint.
Oh, sweet pepper. Parsley, all the good stuff.
They even have pigeons. You know, in Canada, they're considered pests, but here, they make them home for them.
Oh my gosh, I remember that. In Toronto, it was like the worst nightmare to have pigeons
Yeah.
because they were everywhere.
They just poop all over the place.
Yeah. I thought they were cute though, so whatever.
Here we go. Look at this. Look at what we
That's
see.
the pigeon's apartment. Or condo unit.
condo,
Yes.
okay.
Because
So they have like a horse breaking ring, it looks like, over here where you would break new horses. Or maybe that's just how they keep them penned in. I'm not sure, but that's what I know as a horse breaking ring because I grew up on a farm in Canada. Let's go see her. Oh, he's bringing them in now. So I'm a little too big, I think. Probably not, wouldn't be cool for the horse. But Bianca's small.
Kinda. I just had a big breakfast.
Well,
I like
give me that camera.
I tripled my weight. Just
Tripled your weight. Wow, you didn't eat that much. All right. Hello, Jimbo. Hello. Go ahead, babe. There you go.
you want to have a quick ride?
yeah. Sure.
All right.
Sorry. Oh my god. Okay, there we go.
Yes.
Regular cowboy. Foot in the stirrups.
Oh,
All right.
all right.
Go.
This way.
Come on.
Hush.
Come on.
Please don't fall over. Yeah. This way. Oi.
There you go.
All right.
So if you want to go right, you pull right. If you want to go left, you pull left. Just slightly though, not hard. Look at you, cowgirl. Have you ever ridden a horse, Bianca?
Yes.
You look like you've ridden a horse.
Thank you. I would love a horse now.
Yes. Hello, Jimbo? No.
Jimbo, yeah.
Yeah. Hello, Jimbo. Come on.
This way.
Yeah, good job, Jimbo. Bianca, we got your home.
Oh my gosh, I would love a little bed like this.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
You can sit
Alright,
there
well.
and then
Look at that.
We'll let you have a little sleep.
A little look-see. All right, good night, guys. Oh, there's plugs, so I can plug a fan in.
Oh, look at, oh, there is a fan. Look.
Oh, and there's a light switch here too.
Wow, you have a fan and you have a curtain. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, forever.
Philippines, no, always.
Hello, Doc. Shh, don't tell him.
Hey now, don't warn them. Don't warn them we're gonna eat them. Look at them. Look at them, they're all coming.
You're like, do you have food?
Hello.
Quack, 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 quack. Oh, look at them. Wow. Oh, look at the turkeys.
Tell me more. Really? Tell me some more. Turkey. Hey. Turkeys. Those are your little dinosaurs, you know that?
How do they go?
Sound just like them. Oh, he's pretty good.
Skilled.
He's pretty good.
They look like dinosaurs, so you know. Babohan? Baby turkeys or different?
They look like baby turkeys. And they've got like a little back door there so they can go out.
Oh, they like going out the back. They like back doors. Go la 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 la. Oh. Go la la la. Go la la la.
Wow, they got a few. Hello again. Look at all these bunnies. Wow. Oh, the babies are over here.
Those are like brand new babies.
Wow. Oh no, no. Here's brand new babies.
This one is actually confusing. It has the black and the white, so it's
Wait.
confusing.
Wow, you had a perfect mix. All black and all white.
She's like, yeah, look at them.
These are actually cute.
Yeah.
The cute ones.
Yeah, they keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger, all the way to these big boys. Hello. Oh, look at that one. Who is this?
This is my little cutie. Snow bunny.
Snow bunny?
Snow bunny.
Is it anybody?
No, it's snow bunny. They're so soft. It's like holding a cloud in your hand.
All right. And bunny number 2. Oh, he's a little more hyper. Oh, no, he's chill now.
So you gotta get a good position.
Oh, he's so cute. Look at the colors. That's adorable. Wow, you are Snow White. What's the name of this one?
This one's
Mochaccino.
mochaccino, yeah.
Cafe Espresso. Not even actually.
With cream.
Carabao. Carabao cream.
milk.
All right, time for some chicken feeding. Because Bianca is a chicken feeder. Are you worth the food? I'm thinking they're not thinking you're very worth it.
They're waiting for somebody else. I'll just throw it here.
There you go.
See? See? It's good, right? It's good. What if I surround myself in it?
You're gonna put a circle around you? Oh, they're fighting over you. Chicks are just fighting over you.
I know. Let's do this.
So does that mean you now want a chicken farm?
I want a full farm of all animals, every animal. At least 2 of each, okay? I want to be Bianca's ark, all right?
Bianca's ark.
But just not without the boat.
Without the flood?
Without, yeah. Oh yeah, the flood would be nice to avoid as well.
Yes, especially if you don't want the boat.
I don't want the boat, yeah. No flood, no boat, just 2 of it, everything.
Perfect.
We gotta let them know.
Give him a little quack.
Alright, chill.
Unlike the chicken, you want it in your palm. Then we
They're
want
like,
all the
no,
soil.
we just want a little dirt with ours.
Yes.
Oi, be nice to the small ones. My goodness. You can carry the small
Duck master.
All right. You gotta spread them out here because they will like rumble with it.
Wow, look at that rumble.
Oh, alam niyo na nakakainan na.
Hi, babies. Oh my goodness.
So the pros for that one.
Oh, like even other ones are coming.
Maliit lang dun sa
Look at you living the life.
I know. I got some coconut. Do you want to share this?
And you
We
got
don't
some
even
beer.
Para kagaya din.
Beer,
Pero mas
coconut
manipis.
oil, and coconut water.
Yung net na yan. Meron yung nabibili sa ano.
Squirted everywhere over there. Yeah. We got beer. We got coconut.
Everywhere.
We're just chilling because it's been hot.
Hot. Even early in the morning, it's killer.
It's summertime, guys. It's summer.
But we like it because we sweat more.
Yeah. Not retaining any water, are you?
Yeah.
No, not at all. This is delicious. Oh yes, they are growing some grapes here as well. I love this whole vine type
Yeah, it's so nice.
ceiling.
Once it fills out more, it's like complete shade. So now we're gonna ride the Kaladesa. We rode one in Intramuros in Manila, but look how pretty this one is. My goodness. Well fed. Look at that.
Yeah. Hello. Hi, BB. Hello. There's Jimbo.
Jimbo?
This is Jimbo. This is a tornado.
Jimbet. Oh, tornado.
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 Female, actually.
Hello, tornado.
This is a male.
Oh, okay, male. Hello, tornado. Hello. Hello. All right.
Well fed.
Yes.
I like it.
No?
You like your horse's fat?
I like them though. This is nice. This is like
Nice and shaded. Get a little tour of the
you
place.
Get a tour. It feels authentic, you know? I love it. Because we're on a farm, getting a little carriage ride. It's a nice, beautiful day.
Yeah, even little
Perfect.
lamps over here.
Honk honk.
Lamps?
Oh, they're lamps. Never mind. I thought they were bells.
Honk honk.
That's what lamps do, right?
See you later, turkey.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Bye, turkey. The dog sanctuary that we talked about in yesterday's video is over here in this fenced-in area here. I don't see... Oh, I hear them.
Yeah.
I hear them. They're back in there somewhere.
It's hot.
And-
They're all having a nap.
Yeah, exactly. And it's really neat that they have this for the stray dogs that can have a sanctuary for
Yeah,
them,
they have
and
their
they're
own-
fed well,
Yeah, they have all their shots, everything. And you can adopt them. If
and you can adopt them. And of course, the bunnies that we just left earlier.
Rabbit? This is a rabbit.
Kuniho?
Yeah. The rabbit is conejo. Conejo.
Nice. Conejo.
The Tagalog of rabbit is conejo.
Conejo. I like that. Oh, here's some mangoes wrapped up in...
Yeah, this is mango. Harvest is June 18.
June 18.
June 18 the harvest of mango. Bako-bako dahil dati ko sa mga gubatong hindi rin ba ang kalita ko. Hindi bako-bako.
I feel so cool right now. Okay. I am on like...
We're actually it's getting nearer for the native A houses. Yeah, dapat kasi magbula pero mga balik ito.
could feed the fishes on.
You want to ride the balsa or the floating?
Or do you want to feed them from the shade?
Let's just feed them from the shade. It's easier.
Try not to melt.
There's already some in the water.
Let's wait for it.
They're all sleeping.
Ang daming maliliit.
Nice. Oh yeah, there's small ones there too.
Goodbye, Rose. Oh, look at the size of that fish. You're gonna eat for a week.
My fish! I don't know how to get this one! Gemma, help!
How do I know?
You'll know.
There's somebody that's actually, somebody's approaching towards here. And then if there's somebody that's something like it's heavy.
Hey, look at the size of that. Wow. Oh, that's good because he's too small.
Let it away!
I can't eat it. Let's try it again.
It's really good.
Natulog na sila.
Matulog. May prayer meeting siguro, ma'am.
Angat-angat mo, galaw-galaw.
Ayun, ito isa. Oh, gamay, mana niya.
Oh.
I had one, but one.
Look at.
Ay, magbaragdag na karon. Baragdag na karon. Ipauyat sa iya. I think you gotta go there.
Yeah.
And then hold it.
Yeah.
You gotta go there.
And we'll be like, you caught it. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Look at him.
The last one you can grill.
Ibalagay mo sa konbe, ilagay angat ko dyan.
Wow, that is a proper. Look at him.
Today, a large group has shown up. I believe there are a bunch of students. They are taking over the hall right now, having a lunch. Hello, everybody. Hello, I know your name, Miguel. They give you a big name tag. Holy smokes! And here's the group here. Look at this. Look at all the happy people down here at the farm today. So there you go. Big groups love this place. Plus, it's very educational, especially for the students. Final day, the final meal, I should say, here at the resort, and we got a little bit different foods that's looking really, really delicious. This time we actually have lechon, so we made a mistake last time.
We had pata, crispy pata.
Crispy
But it was
pata.
cut up. That's why we didn't know.
We were a little confused.
It was different. It was different.
Yeah. Can you tell we're foreigners? Come on. But look at this shrimp here. What's on this shrimp?
It's a mango sauce.
Mango sauce. Where do you get mangoes?
I think it's a place called Gamiras.
Gamiras? Yeah, and there you go. And we've got, of course,
Chop suey.
chop suey. You have lechon now, officially.
The thing is, you can't eat much because we're gonna go eat a ton of
Unlimited mangoes.
So I gotta keep some room.
And of course, chicken wings. Oh, chicken wings. And what's that? Another lechon? Oh, and of course, rice. So look at that. What a good meal. Oh.
You have the calamansi juice.
Ooh, calamansi.
Calamansi juice. Makes a little lemonade.
Keep you nice and refreshed.
Yeah. This has been such a good trip, though. Highly recommend. Cream of mushroom soup. Wow.
Amazing.
That looks amazing. And so the tilapia that was caught today,
Yeah.
here it is. Grilled
Grilled.
tilapia.
Looks delicious. I'll grab a piece.
Yeah, grab a little piece of this. I want to see you taste it out. Oh, there's the third one.
Ooh.
So you can tell,
Wow,
this
look
is
at
the big
that.
win for the day.
Oh look, it's like stuffed. You can see inside it there's some tomatoes as well. Very nice, right? So good. Oh,
Flaky?
it's so nice. So flaky. It's so good. You'll probably enjoy it a lot. And you're not a big fish person. Really good. And I didn't even put sauce on it.
Is that allowed?
Look at that.
What, no vinegar? No nothing?
No bones, no nothing.
That's how I like fish.
You like tilapia.
That's how I like fish. I just don't like the skin and I don't like the bones. That's it. So if you give it to me without,
And it basically
and the
fell
taste
off.
is fantastic. Yeah, the texture is amazing. Oh, that was so good. Mushroom soup here, you could tell this is freshly made. It is delicious.
Yeah.
The chop suey today was really good. It's less creamy, but that's okay. I was looking for more vegetable.
Yeah, a lot of veg.
And I like the
which is really
crunchiness
good.
of it. So you know, sometimes they overcook and soggy.
It's
Not
a little
here.
healthier.
This is really good. And these, oh my god, these are addicting.
Those are bad.
Yeah, those are
in the best
terribly
way
bad.
possible. They're
Yeah.
so bad because you just want to eat them all.
Yeah.
The whole thing.
Yeah.
Multiple of them.
Not diet friendly. My gosh, you just want to sit there and eat and eat and eat. Best way to make shrimp. That's the way I like it, without all the shell and everything to deal with. Fun eating.
This is the maize con yellow, which is maize like a corn, and it's yellow. That's my
Yeah.
explanation of it. So it's got some like ice cream, corn flakes, and it's shaved ice. Yeah, it's shaved ice and corn and a cherry. Look at
Cherry on top. Excuse me.
Oh no.
Let me take your cherry.
My cherry.
Oh, you took your own cherry?
Yeah.
Well guys, that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Do check out Fatima Farms in Girames. You will enjoy every minute of it. This is such a unique experience. Thank you for joining us and we'll see you again soon.